Alright, this is a video for his speech class, Adil. Here's me, and here's Adil.
Alright, the job that I've had that has been most significant towards my portion of life would be working in my family video store, as that has been a very influential and very big learning experience for myself within this year. The store itself is just a small family-owned business. We go through a lot of different customers on a weekly basis, a lot of different people. We deal with all sorts of different kind of consumers that come into the store looking for all sorts of products and all sorts of different movies of all sorts. An object that shows that how I got the job is my phone, as it pretty much is how it's based out of my family. So I just had to ask my family if I could work there, and going through a bit of just a couple weeks of training to go through how to run the business and go through all the steps of putting stuff up on the wall, making sure the shelves are done properly, making sure that everything is in its proper place, while being able to handle the customers and dealing with all sorts of problems that are arising from just discs that are misplaced to discs that aren't reading properly, and making sure that everything is functioning properly within the store. The next object would be that shows what the job involves is a movie. The biggest product that is at the store happens to be movies that, for example, that we rent out to everyone that comes to the store. That's the main product that is within the store. We have other things such as video games, snacks, and other things, but those are all just condiments and supplementary items to the videos themselves. All of our products range from any sorts of movies, such as action movies, horror movies, comedies, and dramas, to all sorts of historical films and documentaries that are also taking place in the year. Another thing that represents why I believe the job is important to me would happen to be the keys that I have that open and close the store, that'll let me open and close the store pretty much on a daily basis whenever I go to work. It pretty much allows me to open and close everything whenever I need to. When I have to go in the morning, make sure that everything is open, everything is closed then properly as soon as after I leave, and make sure that the drop boxes and all the drawers in the store are locked and taken care of prior to me leaving, and making sure that everything is done properly before I leave, just to make sure that just in case something happens in the night, that we aren't at risk of being jeopardized by someone just breaking in and taking anything that happens to be inside of the store at the time. I feel that the store is just a very influential part of me, as I've felt that it's become a big part as I've learned how to work, I've learned how to deal with people, I've learned to work through my anxiety issues and just deal with people on a fundamental level of trying to get to know everyone on a one-on-one basis, while knowing what they prefer as a customer to what they would want as all sorts of people in the business. I feel that it's been a very big factor on how I deal with everything. It's allowed me to deal with all sorts of stuff in the world, and it's something that I feel has been a very big key in what I've done through the past several years of my life.